everybody, I hope you're all doing really well. Boy has it been a busy month with the pre-orders for the cookbook. So this video is just a video to say thank you to everybody that has ordered. It really means so much to me. Thank you for all your support. Hope you're going to absolutely love the book when you receive it. So the situation is that we've got all of the pre-orders in now, so the deadline has passed. That was yesterday, and now we have placed the order with the printers for those books, and we are expecting to get those and be able to dispatch them immediately to you for around the 23rd of July. I can't do any guarantees on dates. We're going to get it out to you as quickly as possible. Obviously, if you're abroad, then the delivery time is going to be slightly longer, but we're going to jump on them as soon as they arrive. It's going to be massive. It's going to be a huge, great big pallet delivered to my house, and then we've got to get those all packaged up, ready to send out to you. Rather than giving you this information all individually, I thought it was just easier to jump on here and just give you that little update. Of course, if you're watching this video and you haven't yet purchased the book, it is still available. Unfortunately, the special offer that we had running has now finished, but it's available on my website, www.susannahskitchen.uk. So if you want to get a copy, then please head over there and you can still order it, no problems. It's going on to Amazon as well. If that makes any difference to anybody that they would rather order through Amazon than my website, then that is going to be available, and hopefully that should be showing by this evening. If anybody's got any questions with regards to the book, then you can message me through the website. You can leave a comment on this YouTube video. Let me know if there's any information that you require from me, and we will of course let everybody know individually when their book has actually been dispatched. In the meantime, we will continue as normal. Got lots of new content coming on the channel. You probably noticed that I've been making a few more steam meals, and they are just incredible, aren't they? So quick. I don't know why I haven't really been making more. I've just for some reason been putting it off. I suppose because it's a little bit more tricky to get things just right, but I think I've smashed it. Got a couple of really good chicken ones, and also the salmon. Oh my goodness, that curried rice is incredible. So if you've not seen that video, jump over and have a look now, because that is just so tasty. I've also had a request to make a coffee and walnut cake, so I'm doing that this week as well. The videos have been a little bit less frequent, just purely because of the amount of time I've been spending on the book. But of course, it's always going to be new changes and things happening behind the scenes. So I'm excited to bring you lots of different content and more exciting things for the future as well. So thank you for watching this really quick video. Don't forget, if you want to contact me, please do ask any questions that you want to, and I will definitely reply to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.